Many coffees in the world produce cancers because 90% the coffee consumed in the world drying in artificial form, done in nature.
From the mountain of San Sebastián de Palmitas, Antioquia.
Colombian coffee is for many people the best in the world.
One man, tell us.
In Brazil, produce one special coffee.
The history.
The Arabian people plant the coffees in special in the Arabian Garden Palace. The coffees was a special drink for the high society, sultan and kings.
Arrieros coffee.
Is infusion. This one is like a tea to the skin.
The coffee tea.
Cheers. The coffee is good for prevent Alzheimer.
The health benefits.
Yeah, do you like? It's amazing juice.
The different types of
it's
coffee.
Possible you buy coffees in Ethiopian, pajarito, and you buy Colombian coffees, pajarito. The flavor and smell is so different. Per 1 million
Arrieros coffee.
You use one heaping spoon.
Coming soon, 2021 on Bell Program. Follow and subscribe.